What's the one thing all successful entrepreneurs have in common? It's not luck, and it's definitely not some secret formula. It's having the right foundation. A business isn't just about selling products or services. It's about building a system, a vision, and a brand that stands out. But here's the kicker. A lot of businesses fail not because they have bad products, but because they lack the right strategy. In this video, you'll learn the key steps that will transform your idea into a thriving, successful business. Ready? Let's go. Step 1. Find your niche. The first step to building a successful business. Finding your niche. It's like being in a crowded room full of voices. If you want to stand out, you need to find your unique voice. Now, I know what you're thinking, but I have so many ideas. How do I pick just one? Well, let me tell you. Finding your niche is about focusing on what excites you and what the market is hungry for. Ask yourself, what problem can I solve? Who needs my help? What's my unique twist on this idea? Think about the businesses that have made a huge impact. Apple didn't just sell phones, they sold a lifestyle. Starbucks didn't just sell coffee, they created an experience. Your niche is the sweet spot where your passion and the market demand meet. Step 2. Create a business plan. Next up, creating a business plan. I know, it sounds boring, but listen, without a plan, you're just setting yourself up for chaos. Think of your business plan like a roadmap. If you don't know where you're going, how do you expect to get there? A solid business plan includes 1. Your mission statement. What's the core reason for your business? 2. Market research. Who are your competitors, and what's your edge? 3. Financial projections. How much money do you need to launch and run the business? 4. Marketing strategy. How will you get the word out? 5. Growth plan. How will you scale? Look, successful businesses don't just stumble into success. They have a clear plan that guides their every move, and yours should too. Step 3. Build a strong brand. Now, let's talk about something that often gets overlooked: branding. Your brand is everything. It's how people recognize you, remember you, and connect with you on a deeper level. So, ask yourself this: what is my brand personality? What kind of emotions do I want my brand to evoke? A strong brand is more than just a logo or a catchy tagline. It's about building trust with your audience. It's about creating a story people can relate to and rally behind. Whether you're a small startup or a big player, your brand is the face of your business. Make it count. Take Nike, for example. Their slogan, "Just do it," doesn't just sell shoes. It sells motivation. It inspires people to push their limits. That's the power of a well-crafted brand. Step 4. Master marketing and sales. All right, now we're diving into the fun part: marketing and sales. No business can succeed without customers, and no customers will find you if you're not marketing the right way. Here's the secret. You need a marketing strategy that speaks directly to your audience and gets them excited to buy from you. Whether it's social media, content marketing, paid ads, or word of mouth, you've got to be everywhere your customers are. But here's the twist. It's not just about promotion. It's about building relationships. Customers are looking for a connection, not a transaction. Be the business that listens, engages, and provides value. And don't forget, sales are just the start of the relationship. Great businesses turn their customers into repeat buyers and loyal advocates. So, focus on both bringing them in and keeping them around. Step 5. Stay adaptable and keep learning. The business world is constantly changing. The most successful businesses are the ones that are adaptable, that keep evolving, and that never stop learning. So, here's the most important advice I can give you. Don't get comfortable. If something's working today, great. But keep your eyes open for new opportunities, trends, and shifts in the market. Keep learning, testing, and improving your business. Whether it's taking courses, reading books, attending webinars, or simply talking to your customers, always keep pushing forward. Step 6. Build a support network. Finally, let's talk about one of the most underrated aspects of success: your support network. No entrepreneur does it alone. You need mentors, advisors, peers, and even your customers to be part of your journey. Building a network of like-minded individuals, industry experts, and people who genuinely support your mission will make all the difference. They'll offer advice, share experiences, and push you to go further. Surround yourself with people who believe in your business as much as you do. So, there you have it, the 6 essential steps to building a successful business. From finding your niche to building a brand, mastering marketing, staying adaptable, and surrounding yourself with the right people, these are the keys to turning your vision into reality. Now, it's your turn. Get out there, take action, and start building that successful business. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight, but with the right strategy, mindset, and determination, you'll get there. If you found this video helpful, make sure to drop your thoughts or questions in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep building, keep growing, and keep hustling.